Hey, good morning. Hey, this morning I was reading one of the subscriptions I belong to notifies me when collection companies, banks, and credit bureaus get sued or fined by the federal government. And this morning came across an article that Enhanced Recovery Services, it's a large, very large junk buyer, debt collector, collection company. And they just filed bankruptcy. They got fined by the federal government for breaking the law, abusing people who owe money, lying, cheating, stealing, that kind of thing. And so the government shut them down, or the government fined them, and then they ended up filing bankruptcy. Now, why that matters for you is if you have a collection on your credit report, there's a high likelihood that Enhanced Recovery or one of their sister companies actually has that debt. So now is the time to dispute those collections from your credit report. Get them removed. So that way in 2024, you can get your finances right, your credit skyrocketed, so you can start investing in what I believe is going to be one of the greatest times of your life and my life to become rich, because I believe 2024 is going to be it's going to be a bloodbath. And I think banks are going to be going out. Businesses are failing. Big businesses will be filing bankruptcy. Foreclosures will go up. And it's an opportunity for you to move ahead. And one of the things that you can do to move ahead is you can use my service for free, creditmojo.ai. That's creditmojo.ai. I'm now allowing people to fix their credit using my proprietary software that I've used now for 16 years to help over 500,000 people increase their credit scores. And you can access it absolutely free, no strings attached. You simply pay for the credit monitoring, so we have a credit report to look at. You put in your username and password in the system. Through AI will help you get these items removed from your credit report quickly, efficiently, and permanently. So if you got bad credit, collections, late payments, charge-offs, short sales, judgments, and you want to get that stuff removed from your credit report, check out my website, creditmojo.ai. And if you got some collections on there like from Enhanced Recovery and they don't remove it, then our law firms that we work with will file a lawsuit on your behalf free of charge, and we get paid from the lawsuit. So that's why it doesn't cost you anything, and you'll make $500 to $1,000. So if you want to get your credit fixed fast, get it fixed for free, and maybe make $500 to $1,000 off this whole deal, go sign up at creditmojo.ai. You'll be glad you did. Have a great day.